My tongue is melting! Luna, I am dying!
Mission log. We are orbiting Earth to study their most powerful invention, candy. Did someone say candy? Is that like asteroid rocks but yummy? Actually, candy is just sugar. Science can wait. It is taste test time. Sigh. Fine. But we are doing this scientifically. We will start easy. This is chocolate, made from cacao beans. Humans have eaten this for over 3,000 years.
Oh, wow. It is like eating a comet made of happiness.
11 out of 10. Yummy wrapper. Not the wrapper, Cosmo. That is trash. They are bouncing. It is like tiny flavored trampolines.
I am calling them Happy and Lore Happy. But now they are stuck.
Wait! That is pressurized carbon!
Gimme, gimme!
Why is my mouth exploding? There is a party in here! This is a warhead. It is extremely sour, like lemon juice times 100.
I ate a meteorite last week. How bad can it be?
Wait!
Burns! Ah!
Why humans? Why?
The pain means I am alive. Can I have another one?
It is pink clouds! Wait, where did it go? Did I eat it? Or did it eat me? I feel amazing. Everything is wonderful. I can fly to Jupiter right now.
Luna, why do I suddenly feel like a deflated balloon?
That is the sugar crash. Your body is tired. Moderation means eating small amounts, not the whole bag.
So it is delicious, but dangerous.
The warhead wins because it made me feel alive. See you in the stars.